Do you want to achieve 4K quality for your edits like this? Hello guys. As I posted, I will be uploading a guide on how to get and maintain 4K quality for your edits. This will help you with your edits on YouTube or Instagram. You may have noticed I put serious attention to quality on my videos. This guide is a summarization of months of trial and errors. I will provide the timestamp of the video for your convenience. Now, without wasting more time, let's get going. We will divide this video in 5 parts, that is composition settings, After Effects CC, Topaz Labs, render settings, and video conversion. First, composition settings. Now, for better bass for your edits, you want to choose good composition settings. I would prefer using any one of these composition ratio. And for FPS, it should always be set on 60 for a smooth edit. Second, After Effects CC. After Effects CC uses different type of other effects like sharpen and unsharpen mask. You have to understand these effects don't have to power to convert your 720p clips to 4K. It is advised to use 4K clips for better results, and not to depend on the CC for getting better quality. Third, Topaz Labs. It is a software that uses AI algorithm to improve the quality of your video. You can watch my video for Topaz settings to get the best results. Fourth, render settings. Now this is the most important step, as a small mistake in this can lead to big quality loss for you. I use a software named Voukoder and connecting it to After Effects for the rendering part. After installing, follow my steps for rendering your video. Fifth, video conversion. After you have rendered the video, you may see the video is too laggy to play. It is because it is rendered in uncompressed form, leading to choppy or laggy playback. So to solve this, we will convert it into playable form. I use a software named Handbrake. Follow my steps after you have downloaded it. That's all for today, guys. If you want any help, you can comment below or message me on Discord.